back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique, and today we will be cleaning and decorating the porch. Right now the landscaper is still outside, so while we're waiting, I'm going to show you some of the updates that have been going on in the house. Yeah. So as you can see, the crown molding has been added. He still has to, once I actually, because I'm painting my own walls to save money. So once I get the walls painted, he will come back and I'll probably can do that myself. And just, you know, just caulk along here. He still has a few areas to clean up in, but I think it looks good. It looks good to me. I don't know what you think. It looks good. Yeah, and as you can see, I have a few paint samples. I don't know what I like. I'm scared to go with this super white. I think that's Pure White by Sherwin-Williams. This one is too yellow, and that's the color that's in my room. I don't know. I want to do the bright white, but I'm a little bit scared. And as far as the door, I know I'm going to go with like a true black and a high gloss on the door. I think this is Iron Ore by Sherwin-Williams. It's too gray for me. And this one is like really, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like really a deep blue. It's like a navy. And I don't think I'm going to go for the navy look. I think I just want a true black. So yeah, so that's what's going on in the house. Okay, so I told you it was pretty bad out here. I mean, so in my defense, I do keep the light on at night, and that attracts a lot of bugs, and I always go into my house through the garage, so I hardly ever see the porch. So that's the reason why it looks so bad. Don't judge me. But yeah, anyways, right now I'm just going to take off my spring pillows. Again, don't judge me. Yes, I skipped summer. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking off the spring pillow covers, and I got those from Amazon, and that's basically what I do. I get seasonal pillow covers, and I just change out the pillow covers when the season change. Then I'm going to take my broom and just get out all of these spider webs. Y'all, this is a hot mess, and my power washer doesn't have that much power, so yeah, have to do a lot of things with this little broom. Ooh, y'all know I don't like bugs. I hate being outside, and I don't like bugs. Okay, and I'm just going to take the power washer and clean out the windows and the house. Yeah, get everything nice and clean for the fall. Yeah, I'm going to take some of this. I believe it's called Ortho inside outside bug spray and try to kill some of these bugs. Oh my God, I hate outside, all these bugs. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my little spray to clean the screen door, and I also cleaned that window, just making sure that I get all those fingerprints and dust and everything else off. Now the fun part, I get to decorate, and I already have my white pumpkin that I got from Hobby Lobby out there, as well as a lantern that I got from Old Time Pottery. I just have a little LED light inside of that lantern. I've already put on my autumn pillow covers that I got from Amazon, and I'm about to arrange those shortly. Yeah, before it gets cold outside, I definitely have to make some time to respray paint my wicker furniture, as well as my front door and shutters, because it's definitely overdue for a paint job. And I'm just gonna put out a little throw. I got that throw from Home Goods, I believe. And between you and me, yeah, that throw is only out there for video purposes, because I am not trying to keep the flies and the spiders warm. That will be going back inside, but it looks so cute, doesn't it? It looks so cozy. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put out my little rug, and I just love the layering effect. I see a lot of people do it with the black and white buffalo check, which I love, but it doesn't match my porch. So I did try to achieve a similar look with a beige and white rug, and I just put the little thankful rug on top of it, and I got that rug from Hobby Lobby as well. I got the beige and white rug from Home Goods. And now I'm just gonna hang up my little sign, and this sign will stay on my porch year round. I'm finally getting around to hanging up some outdoor wall decor. Welcome to our porch. And it's not officially autumn until I put up my autumn wreath. Yay! So it's officially autumn. I actually got that wreath probably like 3 years ago from At Home. I think some of the pumpkins fell off. No. Yeah, I'm sure. Do I need some professional pictures? Sir, please keep it moving. Okay, so now I'm just going to set out these little garden mums. And you guys, I really love the way everything turned out. It looks so cozy and homey. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I love it. It's not doing too much, but it's just enough to let you know that it's fall. I love the very neutral colors. It's pretty to me. I like it. And that's all that matters, is that I like it. But you guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please like, comment, share, and all of that good stuff. yeah, until next time, peace out.